In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Story Archive on Facebook. So there are two ways to see your story archives. The first one is when you go to your settings and privacy, tap on settings, scroll it down, and under your information, click on activity log, and you will now see your archive. So the other ways to see your story archive is when you go to your profile, tap on the three dots beside the edit profile. Once open, you can now see your activity log and then type for archives. And at the top, you will now see your story archives. Just tap that one. And here are all your story archives. So just review it all the way down. And that's it. That's how to see story archives on Facebook. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.